What's up guys, hope you're having an awesome day. Today I am in some proper Aussie attire right now. Tanya's loving life over here. Yeah, we're about to move Max's ute right now so we can get Alex's car up and in because we have a very, very special intercooler installed to do on my car and then we'll put mine on Alex's car. So Tanya's like, what? I want his intercooler, okay? Now we'll move Max's car out the way right now and then we'll bring Alex's in. Should be sweet. Rightio, so the Skyline's still up in the air. It's got no diff whatsoever. If you guys can see, she's got nothing, absolutely nothing. Took the Falcon out for a bit of a drive today, went to the skate park, but we didn't film any clips there. We were buggered.
No one likes skate parks.
No one likes skate parks on my channel anyway. This is a car channel. How dare you have scooters?
Yeah, so we're doing car things.
Yeah, we're doing car things to make everyone happy.
Engine.
Look, engine. This engine's made of engine. Wow, your front bar's looking clean, man.
So clean.
I hate you.
The cat peed on the front of the car, so I had to use
the brush.
I had to.
Oh man.
On the front bar.
I want to see how bad the scratches are.
They're not bad.
Oh, have a look at that footwear though.
Oh.
That is beautiful.
And it goes over here that they sprayed and we had to clean. Yeah, it was outside.
Oh,
It's not very nice.
It's actually not too bad though.
I only did it on the front bit.
That's okay. She's all G-man, we'll fix her up. Rightio, so Alex, my boy right here.
What a big boy.
A big boy, you got a thick boy right here. Look at that. Process flow stage 2?
Stage 2.
Stage 2, there you go. And you got all the intercooler piping ready to go with as well. This is all Process West stuff as well.
Yeah.
Ooh, very
It
nice.
comes with installer instructions,
Wow.
which we will definitely not need.
No, do you reckon?
Yeah, we'll need
I will need them, yeah. I was gonna say this probably be as easy as the ants one, but actually it should be. I don't know what this bit does. What does that bit do?
It does dose noises.
Does those noise good? Yes.
Does dose.
Cool. So, wait. So your kit so far, that's an in-tune kit, isn't it?
In-tune, yeah.
So you have an in-tune piping kit, in-tune cooler.
Piping's fine. Intercooler
Yeah, piping's great.
Doesn't
Yeah.
really do anything, and you'll see that when we take this intercooler out, put it next to this one, and this one is probably like that.
Yeah.
About that, and then compared to this one, it's about double the size.
So what we'll do, we'll rip off the front bar, so that way that's all out of the way. We'll start taking off all the piping and everything, get rid of that cooler. Now, if you guys remember when we did my intercooler install, we kind of just chopped that front bar out. We have a grinder, we have a Dremel tool, we have everything there ready to make that a whole lot neater on this car than my car, because in my car we just kind of sent it. And then the plastic piece as well, we had to cut out with a Dremel too, which will make it really, really nice. So be a nice clean
I
install.
don't have that plastic piece anymore on the front. I've only got this little piece. Just
Oh, did you already cut it out?
it's gone.
Oh, sick, excellent.
It was never there because it was in a front crash.
Oh, so it snapped
So
off.
they never put it back in, yeah.
Oh, cool, excellent. Well, that's easy then. We'll just have to cut this black plastic piece around the front. Sweet, let's get the front bar off.
Can you believe how small this intercooler is? Look at that. Tiny. 3 fingers.
It's crazy.
We're doing the finger gauge. 3 fingers and that's 3 fingers. That's how big the smaller intercooler
That's
is.
crazy, isn't it?
Can you believe that?
Double the thickness.
Double the thickness, boy.
Alrighty, is this a 7? It is a 7.
We're getting some close-ups.
Now getting some close-ups. So, one of the biggest things we're going to be changing today, especially because you are going a bigger turbo, is the fact that your intercooler piping at the moment also doesn't fit over your 4-inch intake.
It's close, but it's really close. I've had to put like a little,
Oh, yes.
I put a little bit and it rubs on that a little bit. It rubs on,
Yeah.
what am I trying to say? The reservoir, the power steering reservoir.
Yes. We all
See,
know how
I
much fun it is.
know cars.
We all know how fun it is with power steering reservoirs and getting power steering fluid all over the engine bay if it goes through, so.
Yes, and it gets hot and then fires. But hey, I have a fire extinguisher.
Do you actually?
Yeah, I got one in the boot.
Nice, Cap Industries.
No. I don't know. I don't have the little...
Check out the link below. I'm just gonna plug them right now. How sick is this, by the way? Just saying. They put a little quarter inch.
I'll tell you how sick it is. Oh, so sick.
Why is that so tight?
Listen, mate, this car is full of mysteries, like your 33 over there.
Very true.
Let's just leave it as that. We got
it's tech screwed, that's why.
Yes. We got catch cans coming, bigger turbos in the boot. Have they seen that yet?
I don't think so.
I'm pretty sure they've seen it. Look, just relax in what's going on there. Just relax. It's okay. And I got sticky boys at the back now. Bigger tires. And
we're just gonna call everything spinny boy, thicky boy. I don't know.
Thicky boy intercooler.
Yeah. Just actually call them by their actual name.
Oh, who did this splitter? Oh, this thicky boy right here. Oh!
My God. Why is this so
cut
long?
that.
What? Who tech screwed that to hold on this right here?
Just
No, I'm
relax.
angry. I'm angry.
It wasn't me and Tristan who put it in originally, I promise.
It's so fucking...
What is that?
That is to hold on that stupid little plastic piece at the front.
Listen, it's definitely held in there.
Is it really? Is it really?
Yes.
It never wants to come out, does it?
No.
I literally have power tools for this, but I'm just comedic effect.
ZacBaldy actually works. Sweet.
Dude, there's so much room. So much room for activities.
That actually may fit.
It will, yeah, 100%.
Oh well.
We may have to jack up the front of the car to actually fit it in too.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. Yeah, well that's cool. We'll sort something out. I'm sure we will.
Yes.
We always seem to on cars.
If not, just zip tie it. Should be sweet.
Oh yeah. Oh. Zip tied in place. So keen. So keen.
Rightio, so first step, let's get rid of all this in-tune piping. I actually really like the in-tune piping, how it's all like crinkle black, to be honest. I would have that in my car.
You want to buy it?
Not really.
No.
I have an Ants kit, I'm pretty happy. Plus the
Well, Ants has a really nice kit actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. Same as Plasma Man, same as Process West. It's
Yeah.
pretty much all the same stuff.
I think the best thing about the one you got though is the fact that they have a joint here. That's,
yes.
Because what happens is, if these are to pop off, they pop up and straight into your bonnet. And if you guys see FGs with bonnet dents that go up and out, it's because intercooler piping has popped off and shot up. So that's sort of, it helps in that aspect too. So
I've got this one to fit the little turbo today.
yes.
And I've got 2.5 inch
To 2.5
inch
Yep.
to fit the bigger turbo.
Which will be going on next weekend.
Next weekend, yeah.
Alright, so I've taken out all the lights, done all the intercooler piping, and you have changed over the...
My washer...
Oh, I wasn't getting angry. Nah, use washer bottle
We
broke.
all can't as be as good a mechanic as you.
Nah, just joking. I tell you what, I tell you what is very funny though, is the fact that with the green color we actually wrecked, we took, a few little things. I got like the steering wheel, a couple of boots. He also gave me the turbo, stuff like that. But Max randomly, for some reason, brought home the washer bottle. And the weirdest thing to break on any of our cars, I could imagine. And Max is like, no, one of us one day will need it. The next thing, Alex comes over, he says, my washers, my window washers don't work. The pump's gone. And I'm just like, wait, we actually randomly have a spare washer bottle sitting here for an FG. So yeah, we're gonna put that to good use. Yeah, which I
appreciate.
I just find it so stupid that like literally it's the only thing that Max is like he didn't take any of the bolts, none of the bits that we need, like the main fuse or fuse box or anything crazy.
It was the washer bottle.
He's like, oh yeah, one of us might need a washer bottle.
That's it.
Alrighty, yeah, that's it. She should slip straight through the bottom now. Cool.
That comes out way too easily.
Yeah. Wow, check it out beside the other one. There's a big difference.
This is
Wow.
Hey, it is taller.
Well, it is, yeah, slightly
Oh
taller.
my gee whiz.
That is crazy.
Look at the size difference. And it's not even like this the whole way through as well.
Yeah. It doesn't step down or anything crazy.
Skinny boy.
Wow.
That's
it
it.
is honestly double the width.
That is insane.
Alright. Okay.
And a heavy boy.
Yeah, sure is.
What's that getting stuck on?
It's not the right way.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, is it back to front?
No, it's just goes
Oh,
that way.
there's two! Don't worry. Just told you. Just a social experiment. It's everywhere. Oh, sorry, I'm dropping it on. I don't
It's
want to touch
heavy.
you.
Just a social experiment, guys. Don't worry.
Oh, yeah, that works a bit better. Rightio, intercooler is fitted. No grinding required.
Promise.
Don't insert clip here. No, but actually it messes everywhere now. There was a little bit of grinding involved on the back of the crash bar. There's like a little lip that juts out about that far. Alex got the Ryobi, quickly just smoothed that all out. So now she doesn't hit anywhere.
Dude, that's insane, the difference. Look,
Yeah,
like,
looks great.
look at this. Just look at it. Look at that.
Kind of
Oh,
looks.
what the hell?
Kind of looks the same.
Bro, look at it from this angle though.
Oh right. Yeah, yeah, it's a huge difference. It's gonna be so much better.
Wow.
I want to clean that up so that I don't have any. I feel bad about putting grease marks in your brand new stuff.
You should feel bad.
I should feel bad. Alright, so the next bit I want to tackle, I have the little Dremel tool up there, but where is it? Where did we put it? This little bit down here. Rightio. So these things here normally need to get cut just around the outsides. If you can see, they do not fit at all, so. This is the funnest thing I've ever bought myself. I love it so much. Yeah. Hey, I knew it snapped. See, they snap all the time. So, and that was partially my fault too.
Tried to correct it and now it's over there. See that little thing just there?
Yes.
That's it, and I don't know where the other bit went.
Yeah, so there's like 20 of these tiny little things that are just half broken everywhere.
Getting way too difficult.
Look at that. Precision cutting skills. That is insane in the membrane. So I've almost finished the pipe. Hey, you finished it. Well done, man. If I can put it there.
Dude, what an install.
Wow, that was so difficult. Alright, that looks sick. I'm happy
Bro,
with that.
it's gonna sound so good.
It's not even in the piping there.
Bro, this thing is gonna make such a big difference.
Wow. Oh, that cooler's $1,700 for looks. That's great.
It's gonna be so cold.
Alright, let's actually try this. Alrighty, so it's actually looking pretty good. We have all intercooler piping on. Well, I do anyway. So I have it all sort of. I didn't mean it like that. I'm having small little digs at you.
You know what you're doing.
Nah, big intercooler installed. Process West stage 2.
Yes.
And then comes out to this Process West piping. I don't know why that's upside down. I might have put this one in upside down, but it didn't fit in the other side, so we're just going to send it. Goes into this little piece here, joins up down there, all the way back in, and we fit it up to the Plasma Man thing. This kind of had to stretch a little bit because it was a little bit of a different size. I need to tighten up that hose clamp I just figured out.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I had to find out if this is the actual one for the turbo side.
Yeah, can you loosen it anymore? We're not looking at the instructions.
No, we don't need them.
We don't need the instructions anyway, so.
I just want to look if it's on here. Sounds like it died.
Yeah, she's alright. Alrighty, so Alex is going to take it down the road without any front bar on, so that way if any of the cooler piping or anything is not tightened up, it'll just pop straight off, we can fix it, it should be fine. I miss that old 3576R. Beautiful spool noises. Alrighty, big intercooler has now been installed. It looks great.
I love the piping.
I like piping too. Piping looks sick.
I need to put a sticker here, maybe a ZacBaldy sticker. That's the running joke today.
Oh my god.
What was it? ZacBaldy?
It's ZacBaldy.
ZacBaldy, and I kept saying ZacBaldy.
But it's only at the end of a sentence when you ask like...
Listen, I'm not Japanese. I want to go there, but I'm not Japanese.
You
okay?
hurt
So
me,
I don't
son.
know.
You hurt me, son. Well, I can always put another... You could get another ZacBaldy one and put it down there.
True.
I like your
We
intercooler
agreed
better.
on it.
I do like your splitter too.
Same.
Splitter looks good.
ZacBaldy Industries.
I'm not making one for my car.
Don't worry, bro. I'll make you one.
Right, yeah, man. Have fun with that. With your jigsaw and
Yeah,
all the other stuff that you own.
Let's say your Ryobi tools.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
So
Ooh, I love these thick boy wheels at the back here. You got a set of Federal 595. No, it actually looks really nice. And they're 265 now?
265, 35, 19s.
Yeah, they look great. They fit up nicely too. I quite like that.